is therefore quite disheartening and a show of bad faith for members of the Law Society of Kenya to renege from raising concerns through formal avenues in place, abandon the well-established complaints mechanisms, and opt to deploy eccentric tactics such as cyberbullying and other forms of online attacks for ulterior motives. The association urges all stakeholders to continue engaging the judiciary with genuine concerns regarding judicial processes and any notable inefficiencies. Our members are committed to ensuring that the judiciary not only remains transparent and accountable, but also is seen as being accountable while providing services to all Kenyans.
Thank you, Mr. Abdikadir, for that question. We have noted the online onslaught, which is so systemic, from specific members who have held leadership positions, as the judge has said, like the 49th president of the LSK and a former commissioner of the JSC, Mr. Ahmed Nasir, among others.